All right, I'm waiting for you all to join in. Yes, Swadhin. Good morning. So, welcome to today's live streaming of me and Matt. I hope you're doing good, Swadhin. Okay, good morning, Narayan. Good morning, Narayan. I hope your name is Narayan. If your name is something else, you can type it in the chat and let me know that, ma'am, I am so and so. Okay. So, children, I hope your Sunday morning is going well. But yes, good to see that you all are utilizing your Sunday in a productive way. There's no harm, right? Having just a 1 hour class to practice. Yes. Okay. Sanvi. Yes, Sanvi. Okay. Welcome, Sanvi, to today's live streaming at me and math classes. And any of your friends whom you can invite and quickly tell them to join in the live streaming. Please do that because you also know that these classes, these live streaming classes are really helpful, right? So quickly, you all can invite your friends, cousins, whoever you can to yes to this live streaming. Yes, welcome, Modipta. Good morning. Okay, all right, children. So time to see what is our topic for today's live streaming. Yes, it is capacity. So the topic for our today's live streaming class is capacity. Yes, Pavika, welcome. Good morning. Okay, so before we move on to our topic, um, let's congratulate together our star student of the week. So any guesses who could it be? Okay, let's see who it is. Okay, yeah, Adam Johan is our star student of the week once again. Let's congratulate Adam. Yes, for showing such great dedication towards learning. And he has been completing his homework assignments on time, attending his classes regularly, plus, of course, is dedicated totally towards his learning. So, congratulations, Adam, for being the star student of the week. Wonderful. Let's give a clap to you, Adam. Yes, come on, children. You can also be one of the star student of the week. Yes, make sure that you'll attempt all your homework assignments and show dedication towards learning by attending your classes regularly, attending DDR sessions plus these live streaming so that you all get to learn a lot and that will enhance your understanding of the concepts. Okay, so well done, Johan. Well done, Adam. Okay, so time for a riddle out over here. Are we ready for this? And it is, if bees loved geometry, what would be their favorite shape? Any guesses? Come on. Modipta, Pavika, Sanvi, Swadhin. So let's see who's able to crack this. If bees loved geometry, what would be their favorite shape? What do you all think? Bees, so we are talking about honeybees over here. If they loved geometry, then what would be their favorite shape according to you? Come on, any guesses? Quickly, let's type the answers in the chat. Okay, Swadhin says circle. Oh, Sanvi says oval. So why do you all say so? Okay, let's see what's the answer. A hexagon. Yes, Swadhin, very good. It would be definitely a hexagon, right? If you observe the honeycomb, the house of the honey bees, it has this kind of a shape in it. It is made up of multiple hexagons, right? Something like this. Please don't mind my drawing. So it would be something like this, right? So yes, they would definitely, if they knew what shapes are, if they knew what geometry is, so they would definitely uh like love the shape of hexagon. Okay. All right. This would definitely be their favorite shape because they have these shapes around them in the honeycomb everywhere. Okay. Wonderful. Wonderful. So good job, Swadhi. Congratulations. Yes. And Shashi Shetty. Okay. Shashi Shetty. I'm not able to recollect your name. You can type your name in the chat. Okay. Yes. So it would definitely be a hexagon. All right. Just to bring to all of you a few words that were put in by a lot of learners who have been joining in our sessions, our live streaming sessions every Sunday, and been participating in these quizzes. So this is their experience that they have written down, and you can see how much they have been enjoying our sessions and the way they are responding to the questions in the chat. Yes, Arya. Okay, thank you for telling me your name. So yes, we can see Modipta, Swadhin, who are regular participants who have been joining these sessions almost every Sunday, I guess. So in fact, whenever I have been conducting these sessions, I definitely see Modipta and Swadhin there in the session. Yes, even Arya, Pavika, most of the time they are there. So keep joining because these sessions help you all a lot and you all can take back a lot of learning along with you all. Okay. All right. So time to move on to our topic today, that is capacity. Okay. I'm sure everybody knows what is capacity, right? Capacity is where the measurement units that we use to measure liquids. Okay. So who can tell me the commonly used units of capacity? What are the commonly used units of capacity? Units of capacity. Which are some of the units that we use in our daily lives to measure capacity, to find out the capacity of any liquid. Come on, quickly type in the chat. I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, perfect. Very good, Arya, and very good, Sanvi. They are milliliter and liter, right? Milliliter and liter. So these are the two commonly used units of capacity. Okay. So who can tell me 1 liter equals to how many milliliters? 1 liter equals to how many milliliters? Okay. Okay. Sanvi has typed military. Okay. I'm sure this is typing error, but yes, that did make me smile. So milliliter is she has written it as military. Okay. Yes. So 1 liter equals to how many milliliters? Come on, quickly tell me. Absolutely correct, Sanvi. It is 1,000. 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliters, right? And if I have to convert this into, if I want to say 1 milliliter equals to how many liters, then how am I going to write this? 1 milliliter equals to how many liters? Yes, very good, children. All of you all gave the correct answer. 1,000 milliliters is 1 liter equals to 1,000 milliliters. But if we milliliter army, okay, 1 milliliter equals to 1/1,000 liters. Okay, so let me give you all a few examples. So let's say if I have 5 liters, so 5 liters equal to how many milliliters? Come on, quickly type. Yes, zero point 0.1 also you can write. Here you can also write, or 0.1 liter. No, not 0.1, dear. Sorry. It will be 0.001 liter. Okay, so quickly tell me 5 liters equals to how many milliliters? Let's see who's giving the answer first. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Time's running out. 5 liter equals to how many milliliters? Perfect. Very good, Sanvi. You are the first one who answered. So 5,000 milliliters. Absolutely correct. 5 liters equals to 5,000 milliliters. Okay. All right. The others can try the next one. Come on. So now I have the question where I'm saying 5 liters and 350 milliliters equals to how many milliliters? 5 liters and 350 milliliter would equal to how many milliliters? Yes, yes, my children are thinking. Yes, I'm waiting for the quick answers. Come on. Is this that tricky? I don't think so. Perfect. Yeah, I get the answer. So 5,350 milliliters. Absolutely correct, Sanvi. Once again, you were the first one to answer. Good job, Sanvi. Good job. Okay. Now, if I had, okay. All right. So I think this part is clear. So let's move on. You're already thorough with the conversions. So let's move on to our very first question for today, which goes like this. So I hope everybody's ready. You all can put the thumbs up in the chat. Come on. Yes, Swadhin. Excellent. You gave it with the explanation. Good job, Swadhin. Okay. So now we are ready for the question, first question for today's quiz. And here it comes. So the first question reads like this. The amount of milk in a packet is 250 milliliters. Okay. So find the amount of milk in 7 packets in liters. If in one packet, a packet is 250 ml, find the amount of milk in 7 packets in liters. So you all have 1 minute to answer this. Let's see whether we are able to get it or not. Very easy. You all just have to find the operation that we have to do here. Okay, time's running out. Let's see who's answering first within the time limit. Okay, Arya has already given me the option C. Option C. What about the others? Okay, tick tick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so here I get two different answers. One is option A that my children are saying, the other is option C. Okay, yes, so Sanvi is already giving the explanation in the answer. So if one packet equals to 250 ml, so obviously 7 packets will be equal to 7 multiplied by 250, right? Because if one packet has 250 ml, so 7 multiplied by 250 gives me 7 multiplied by 250 gives me 1750 milliliters. Okay, but in my options, everywhere the unit is liter. So that means I have to convert this into liters. Yes, my children got a bit confused, and some of you all gave the option A as the correct answer. But children, observe it carefully. Here it is 1750 liters. So am I going to get 1750 liters over here, or am I getting milliliter? When I multiply 7 with 250, I get 1750 milliliters. So if I convert this into liter, my answer would be 1.75 liters. So here I simply divide 1750 with 1000 to convert it into liter, right? So when I convert divide it by 1000, I get 1.75 liters. So please be careful with what unit has been used over here. Yes, so you'll have to be careful with that and observe that as well along with the answer. So don't just look at the number. The option C is absolutely correct. So good job, very good. Arya, you gave the correct answer first. So let's clap for Arya. Very good, Arya. Very good. Keep up the good job. Yes, you observed the unit very carefully and you gave the correct answer. Wonderful job, Arya. Okay. All right, so children, that's what I'm saying. You have to look at the units carefully. Look at the units carefully. Okay. All right. No worries. Time to move on to the second question. Yes, Modipta, Swadhin, yes, the option C was the correct answer. Now, let's move on to the second question. When the tank is filled with 20 liters of petrol, one-fourth part of it is filled. What is the capacity of the tank? Okay, if there was a tank, something like this, okay, it is filled with 20 liters. So this is total 20 liters, and this is one-fourth part of the tank. So what is the capacity of the tank? What is the total capacity of the tank over here? So if this is 20 liters, so what will be the total amount? Okay, so you all have once again 1.5 minutes. So let's see whether my children are able to crack this within the time limit. Okay, I've already got an answer from Arya first, who says D. Abhishek also says D, but we don't know whether it is right or not. Okay, so I'm just waiting for the other children to respond. 10,000% sure of what, Swadhin? First, you need to give the answer. Yes. Okay, you gave the answer D. Okay, you're 10,000% sure that answer is D. Okay, let's find out. So yes, this is 20 liters, right? This is 20 liters, and this is one-fourth of it. So this is just one-fourth part of it. So if I have to divide this into 4 equal parts, okay, so this will also be 20, this will also be 20, this will also be 20. When I add them all up, I simply get 80 as the total. Yes, absolutely correct. Option D is the right answer. Once again, Arya gave the answer first. So let's clap for Arya. Yay! Arya and then Abhishek and then Swadhin. So one fourth, if one fourth is 20 liters, I just have to multiply it by 4 to find out. I just multiplied 20 liters into 4 times. So I get 80 liters, right? So this is 20 and three more such equal parts. That means 20, 20, 20. And total I get 80 liters. Okay. All right, children. Well done. Well done. I'm really happy how quickly you all have given the answers. So time to move on to the third question. The capacity. Okay. Abhishek, Arya gave the answer first before you, and then you gave the answer. Okay, but no worries, you gave the correct answer. That is more important. You understood the concept and you gave the correct answer. That is important. Okay, all right, no worries. Now, the third question goes like this. The capacity of a tank is 45 liters. Okay, similar to the one what we had before. What fraction of the tank is empty if there is 15 liter of petrol in the tank? Okay, once again, let me draw the tank. So let's suppose this is a tank. Okay, the total capacity is 45 liters. What fraction of the tank is empty if 15 liter of petrol is in the tank? So I'm saying 15 liter is already in the tank. Okay, so you have to find the fraction for this remaining part. You have to find the fraction for this remaining part. Okay, once again, Arya has given her answer and she says option A. Then Swadhin also says option A. Okay, let's find out. Okay, so this is 15 liters. So I simply subtract 15 liters from 45 liters, right? Because I need to find out how much is this, and I get 30 liters. So this is 30 liters. Now I have to, what they have said, what fraction of the tank is empty? So I have to find out the fraction for this portion, right? So I can simply do 30 upon 45, which equals to 15 twos and 15 threes. So the final answer is 2 upon 3, and which is option A. So congratulations, Arya. Once again, you are the first one who gave the correct answer. Rest of all, you all followed her. And Swadhin, Pavika, Modipta, everybody. Oh, okay, okay. All right. Sorry, Arya. I thought you were a girl. No worries. Okay, I'll address you as he. All right. Thank you for clarifying. So Swadhin, Pavika, Modipta, and Sanvi. Okay, all Sanvi, okay, you have given option B as the correct answer, but our A is the correct answer. Okay. So yes, congratulations to all of you. But Arya gave the first answer. Arya gave the first correct answer. So congratulations to Arya once again. Yay! Keep up the good job. All right, let's move on to the next question. That is question number 4. A truck uses 7 liters, 50 milliliters of petrol for a distance of 5 kilometers. Okay, a truck, it uses 7 liters, 50 milliliters of petrol for a distance of 5 kilometers. Now, this is a bit tricky question. Be careful while you calculate the answer. How many liters and milliliters of petrol does it need to travel a distance of 27 kilometers? if for 5 kilometers he uses 7 liters and 50 milliliter, so then for 27 kilometers, how many liters and milliliter of petrol is it going to use? Okay, so be careful while you'll calculate. Okay, children, your time has already started, so please try to find out. I'm giving you all 1.5 minutes. If a truck uses 7 liters and 50 milliliter for 5 kilometers, then for 27 kilometers, it will use how much? All right, I've already got an answer from Arya who says option C and Pavika who says option C. We will check in a while that whether their answers are right or not. Modipta also says option C. Okay. All right. Everybody is typing the same answer, but we'll have to check out whether it is right or not. Just a few seconds. Okay. So Adin has also come up with option C. All right. Okay. So let's find out. 5 kilometers equals to 7 liter 50 milliliters. So to make my work easier, I am going to convert this into a single unit. Okay. So 7 liters and 50 milliliters equal to 7,050 milliliters. How did I get this? I am going to 1 minute. 7,000 milliliter plus 50 milliliter, right? So I get 7,050 milliliters. Now, if 5 kilometers require this many milliliters, then 1 kilometer will require 7,050 divided by 5 milliliters, right? So what do I get? Okay, I get 1,410 milliliters. So 1 kilometer requires 1,410 milliliters. So 27 kilometers will require how much? It's pretty obvious. Now I can simply multiply. Okay, so 1,410 multiplied by 27 milliliters, which gives me 38,070 milliliters. But my answers are all in liters and milliliters, and that is what they require. So I am going to convert this into liters and milliliters. So it is going to be 38 liters and 70 milliliter. So here option C is absolutely correct. Very good, my children. Oh my God, I didn't know my children were so bright and so intelligent. And all of you all have given this correct answer, but the first correct answer came from Arya and Pavika. So congratulations to both of you. Keep up the good job. Yay! Yes. So Arya and Pavika, you all did a good job. This was a bit tricky, but you all calculated it fast and you all got it. Right? Okay, let's move on to my next question. Question number 5. Okay. All right, children. Since you all are doing so well, I am really happy to see the way the children are also enthusiastic to answer. And yes, they are so eagerly waiting for the next question, right? So here is my next question, which says, which of the following is correct? Now, this is very simple. You all have only 30 seconds to find out. Come on. Come on, I'm waiting for the answers in the chat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right. I've already got an answer from what is her name? Narayan Nawale. I'm not sure. I forgot what's your name. Is it Sanvi? Yes. Sanvi has given the first answer as C. Okay. Then Modipta said B. Arya said A. Modipta again said B. Then Swadhin said C. Sanvi said C. Okay. All right. But let's find out which is the correct answer. So let me tell you all. I hope everybody has observed the units carefully. 705 ml equals to 0.705 liters. 7050 ml. So 7.5 liters. Is it 705 ml? So if I convert this into ml, I divide this by 1000. I just have to jump 3 steps back, which is 7.05 over here. Okay, not 7.5. So this is incorrect. 705 ml. Okay, once again divided by 1000. So 1, 2, 3. So it should be 0.705 liters. So this is also incorrect. And here, once again, let's go backwards. 7.050 liters. So this is also incorrect. So yes, absolutely, my option A is correct. Okay, welcome Aryanidhi. You joined in now. But yes, good. You joined in with a bang with the correct answer. So this answer was given first correctly by Arya. Yes, once again, Arya corrected and he gave the answer correct in the first only, right? Okay. All right. Good job. Good job, Arya. You are doing fabulous. And so well are you answering the questions. Good job. Keep up the good job. And all of the others as well. Even Pavika gave the correct answer. Aryanidhi gave the correct answer. Wonderful. Okay. So time to move on to my next question, which says a jug can hold 3.65 liters of water, which is 5 times the amount of water that a glass can hold. How much water can 2 glasses hold? Okay, हमारे पास एक जग था जिसकी कैपेसिटी कितनी है 3.65 लीटर्स उसमें 3.65 लीटर्स पानी आ सकता है okay which is 5 times the amount of water that 1 glass can hold. A glass means एक glass 5 times एक glass की capacity है ये. Okay, so let's suppose I have this jug. Okay, so here it can hold 3.65 liters. Now, this 3.65 liters is the capacity of 5 such glasses. Okay, 5 such glasses is equal to 3.65. So, how much water can 2 glasses hold? Now, they just want कि 2 glasses में कितना water hold हो सकता है. ये 5 glasses का amount है, तो 2 glasses में कितना होगा? Arya has once again given the answer B. He's the first one to answer, but we'll have to check whether it's right or not. Okay, we'll see that. Let the others also reply. B. Okay. Even Sanvi says B. Okay, Arya changes his answer to A. Okay, anybody who would like to answer? Swadhin, Pavika, Aryanidhi, Modipta. Okay, Swadhin has answered. I'm so sorry. Swadhin has answered. And Sanvi has answered. So I'm waiting for Modipta or someone else. All of you all have given the option B as the correct answer. But Arya has changed his answer and he says A. Okay, Aryanidhi also says A. Okay, let's see whether A is correct or not. Now, one jug equals to 3.65 liters, right? But and that one jug is equivalent to five glasses. So five glasses equal to 3.65 liters, right? Okay. Now, to make my job easier, I'm going to convert this into ml. Okay, I don't want this decimal, so I'm going to convert this into milliliters. Okay, so it will come up to 3.65 liters. So 3065 milliliter, right? Okay. All right. Sanvi has already given the calculation. That's fabulous. Yes, we can definitely do that way also. So here 5 equals to 3065 milliliter. And then let's divide. So I will find out the capacity of one glass. So 3065 divided by 5 equals to 3065 divided by 5 equals to 613 milliliters. Okay, so one glass can hold 613 milliliters. But they have told me to find out the value for two glasses, the capacity of two glasses. So I am going to multiply this again, okay, by 2. So 2 glasses equal to 613 multiplied by 2 ml. That equals to, once again, 1226 ml. Now converting this, okay, I think I have made an error over here. Can somebody find out what is my error? 3.65. Okay, sorry, this should be 650. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay, my bad, children. I'm really sorry for the mistake that happened. So this should be 650. Okay, 3650 divided by 5, and we get 730 ml, one glass. So 730 ml multiplied by two glasses, we get 1460 ml, which finally equals to 1 liter 460 ml, or I can say 1.46 liter. Okay, so the correct answer would be option A, children, option A. So 1.46, y'all are saying, but here we have to understand that this is in ml, which is incorrect. This should be in liters, right? It should be 1.46 liters. If it would have been 1.46 liters, then B would be correct. But here 1460 ml is correct because in ml, that's the amount that we get. Okay. So Arya, it is 7:30. Yeah. Arya, you gave the correct answer first. That is A. And yes, it is absolutely right. So option A is the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Yes, this was a bit tricky. Children, once again, I would like to remind you all, please, along with the numbers, observe the units as well. What unit that the answer is in. Okay. So I hope everybody is clear. How did we get this A? Option A. Are we all clear? Come on, give a thumbs up in the chat. So I will come to know that all my children are understanding. Yes or no? Should I proceed further? Should I proceed further? Okay. I'm still waiting for a confirmation from you all. I hope this sum was clear. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. Yes, time to move on to the next question. That is question number 7. Okay. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Swadhin, and thank you, Sweetie Kumari. I'm not sure what is your name, dear. I forgot. So thank you for responding. So coming to question number 7. Okay. Saina had a pail containing 5 liters of water. She used 1 liter 385 ml of it to water the plants and 2 liter 48 ml of it to wash the dishes. Okay. साइना के पास एक बकेट थी, पेल मीन्स बकेट, और उसमें 5 लीटर ऑफ वाटर था. उस 5 लीटर में से उसने 1 लीटर एंड 385 मिलीलीटर का वाटर प्लांट्स को देने में लगाया और 2 लीटर एंड 48 मिलीलीटर ऑफ वाटर उसने डिशेस वॉश करने के लिए लगाया. So how much water is left with her? That is what we have to find out. Okay. I'm sure my children would be able to now by now guess what is the operation that we have to do here. Okay. So let's find out and quickly type the answer, correct option in the chat. So you all have 1.5 minutes. Okay. Let's see who does it within the time. Aryanidhi. Okay. Yes. Yes. Sweetie Kumari. Sorry. Yes, Aryanidhi. I'm now I got your name. Thank you for responding. Oh my God. Swadhin has already given the answer. But we'll have to still check whether his option is correct or not. He gives the option B. So we have to check whether it is right or not. Okay, and your time is not yet over. Okay, you have a few more seconds to go. But yes, I'm waiting for you to answer. Okay, all right, let's find out. Yes. Okay. Arya, Swadhin has given option B. Arya has given option B. Modipta has given option B. So let's find out whether these children have given the correct answer or not. So first of all, what do they say? Saina के पास क्या है? एक bucket है जिसमें 5 लीटर का पानी है, 5 लीटर. And she used 1 liter 385 ml of it to water the plants. उसने 1 liter 385 ml plants को water करने के लिए किया. So it's pretty obvious कि यहाँ पे हमें कौन सा ऑपरेशन करना है? सबट्रैक्शन करना है, राइट? 5 लीटर में से 1 लीटर and 385 ml यूज कर लिया, तो वी हैव टू डू सब्ट्रैक्शन. ओके, बट दे शी आल्सो यूज्ड, उसने 2 लीटर और 48 ml और पानी यूज किया डिशेस वॉश करने में. So that also has to be subtracted. So to make our work easier, let's go like this. हम पहले total amount जितना use हुआ वो calculate कर लेते हैं. So we will add these two, that is 1 liter and 385 milliliter. Okay, and here 2 liters and 48 milliliters. Okay, so this we simply add so that we get total कितना पानी use हुआ. Okay, so 5 and 8 we get 13. 8 and 4, 12 and 1, 13, 3 and 1, 4, and here 3. So 3 liters and 433 milliliters of water is totally used out of 5 liters. Okay, so now it will be easier for us to subtract. So 5 liter में से 3 liter 433 milliliter का पानी use हुआ, तो हम subtract करेंगे, right? So simple normal subtraction we have to do. Here, since they are all 0, so I'm going to get the number from 5. So I put here 10, but 10 has to give 1 to here the tens digit. And then on that also I cancel and I bring here one more. So 10 minus 3 gives me 7, 9 minus 3 gives me 6, 9 minus 4 gives me 5, and 4 minus 3 gives me 1. So finally, what is my answer? 1 liter and 567 milliliter, which is option B, given correctly by Swadhin. Very good, Swadhin. You were the first one to answer this correctly. Keep up the good job. Yes, keep up the spirit. Very good. So you just had to find out, आपको ढूंढना था कितना पानी बचा था bucket में. तो 1 liter 567 milliliter का पानी बचा था bucket में. Okay. All right. I hope it's clear. Okay, so time to move on to my next question, which says Rashmi needs 6 containers which can totally hold 15 liter and 600 ml oil. Find the capacity of each container. रश्मि के पास रश्मि को 6 कंटेनर चाहिए थे जिसमें 15 लीटर और 600 ml ऑफ ऑयल फिट हो सकता था. ओके, 6 कंटेनर थे जिसमें इतना ऑयल आ गया. फाइंड द कैपेसिटी ऑफ ईच कंटेनर. एक कंटेनर में कितना ऑयल आएगा, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो 6 कंटेनर्स. Okay, so children, let's quickly start finding out. We don't have much time. Equals to 15 liters and 600 ml of oil. So now you all have to find out that one container की capacity कितनी है. All right, so you all have 1 minute. Let's find out. Okay, Swadhin once again has given the option B as the answer. Okay, Aryanidhi has also given the option B as the answer. Okay, let's find out. So to make my work easier again, I am going to convert this 15 liter and 600 ml into 15,600 ml. Okay, now 6 containers contain this much. So one container will be simply 15,600 divided by 6 ml, and that equals to 2,600 ml. Okay, so one container will contain 2,600 ml, but if I convert this, हमें किसमें चाहिए? Liter or milliliter, liter or milliliter. All my answers are in liter and milliliter. So this will simply become 2 liters and 600 milliliter. So option B is absolutely correct. Swadhin, congratulations. You gave the correct answer first. Very good, Swadhin. Keep up the good job. Wonderful. Yes, wonderful. All right. Yes. So I hope my children are able to understand these concepts of capacity. Okay, great. Now coming to the second last question of today's session, which says, how much water is left over in the jug if the water is poured into three such cups? इस जग में 800 ml का पानी है. अगर ये पानी में थ्री कप्स में जो 250 ml के एक कप है, ऐसे थ्री कप्स में मैं पोर करूंगी, तो मुझे मेरे पास कितना ml पानी बच जाएगा? मेरे पास कितना ml पानी बच जाएगा? Very easy. Come on, quickly, y'all can find out and tell me what is the correct answer over here. How much water is left over in the jug if the water is poured into three such cups? जग में there is 800 ml of water. अगर ये water मैं 250 ml के ये cups तीन कप में pour करूंगी, तो what is the remaining amount that I get? So let's see this time who gives the correct answer first. And I've got an answer from Arya already. I hope, Arya, you're giving me answer to the question number 9. Okay, Arya Nidhi says option D. Swadhin says option B. Okay, let's find out. So now this one cup is of 250 ml. एक कप का कैपेसिटी कितना है? 250 ml. तो थ्री कप्स का कितना होगा? 250 into 3 equals to 750 ml. राइट. सो 800 ml पानी है जग में, उसमें से मैं 350 पोर कर दूंगी तीन कप्स में, तो कितना बचेगा? सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन, 800 minus 750 and I get 50 ml, that is the remainder. So option B is absolutely correct. Very good, Arya and Swadhin, for giving the correct answer. 50 ml is the correct answer. Arya gave the answer first. So congratulations. And Swadhin also calculated it well, understood the question well, and he answered well. So yes, Swadhin, congratulations to you also for giving the correct answer. So it was pretty simple. एक कप 250 ml का है, तो थ्री कप 750 ml हो जाएंगे, राइट? तो अगर 800 ml पानी में पोर करूंगी इन तीन कप्स में, तो 750 माइनस हो जाएगा और 50 ml बचेगा. So 50 ml is the right answer. Okay, very good. Arya Nidhi, how do you get 550 ml, dear? 750 ml तो पानी पोर हो जाएगा ना तीन कप में, तो उसमें से सिर्फ 50 बचेगा, 800 में से सिर्फ 50 बचेगा. तो आंसर इज बी. ओके, ऑलराइट. नाउ the bonus question for today and the last question for today. So it is going to be a bit tricky, but I want my children to read it carefully and answer. Okay, let's see what is the bonus question for today. All right, so let's see who's able to answer this question. And we'll definitely want to congratulate the child who answers this question correctly first. So this is my question. A hostel consumes 22 liters and 500 milliliter of milk every day, each day. If 450 ml milk is consumed by each child, find the number of children in the hostel. अगर एक हॉस्टल में हर रोज 22 लीटर्स एंड 500 मिलीलीटर्स ऑफ मिल्क यूज होता है, जिसमें एक बच्चा 450 ml मिल्क पीता है, तो यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इन द हॉस्टल. टोटल कितने बच्चे हैं हॉस्टल में? सो कम ऑन, ये टाइम हैज ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. देखते हैं कौन सही आंसर देता है इसका. फर्स्ट, हु गिव्स द करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन? सो इट्स ऑप्शन ए, बी, सी और डी. चलो, हु कैन टेल मी? Correct option is A, B, C or D. Okay, Arya has already given the answer. That is A, but we will check it in a while. Swadhin also says A. One child drinks 450 ml of milk. So, how many children will drink 22 liters and 500 ml of milk? So, yes, it is pretty obvious that here the operation that we have to use is division, right? So, to make my work easy again, I convert this 22 liters and 500 ml into ml. Okay, so 22 500 ml is the conversion. Now, I have to divide this with 450. Okay, I have to divide this with 450. And what do I get? The answer as 50. So 450 multiplied by 50, I get 22,500. Okay, so 50 children drink this much of milk each day. Okay, 50 children drink this much of milk each day. And the correct answer was given by Arya. Very good. He was the first one who gave the correct answer, option A. And he really gave the answer very quickly. So that was wonderful job done by Arya. Okay, so keep up the good job, my children. Even Swadhin gave the correct answer. Yes, so we have to simply do the division over here. And y'all did a fabulous job today. I loved the energy and the enthusiasm from all of you today. So, children, unfortunately, it's time to go for today. I know you all were enjoying, you all were participating so well. But yes, it's time for us to go today and see you again next week. You all did a great job. Keep up this participation level. Keep joining every Sunday and keep learning. Okay? So, see you all next week. Till then, bye bye.